Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we will quickly learn how to check your block list on Facebook application. So let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application. Now tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and go to Setting and Privacy. Now select Setting option. Scroll down and tap on Blocking. Here you will see a list of blocked people and apps. Now tap Unblock to undo a block. And that's it. Keep your Facebook connections in check. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.